This short lesson, we're going to prove one of the tangent identities. The goal is to transform the left-hand side quantity, tangent of 4 theta, into a messy-looking right-hand side, and show they're identical. We start with the left-hand side. We rewrite tangent of 4 theta as the tangent of 2 times 2 theta, and then apply the double angle formula. That gives us 2 times tangent of 2 theta over 1 minus tangent squared 2 theta. Next, we remind ourselves that tangent of 2 theta equals 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta. So if we substitute that into our expression, the numerator becomes 2 times that fraction, and the denominator becomes 1 minus the square of that same fraction. Finally, we divide the numerator by the denominator. The common factor of 1 minus tan squared theta cancels out, leaving us with the final expression. We have successfully proven the identity for tangent of 4 theta. Now, we divide the simplified numerator by the simplified denominator. That means we multiply by the reciprocal, leaving us with 4 tan theta times the square of 1 minus tan squared theta in the numerator and the quartic expression in the denominator. One copy of the squared factor cancels, leaving exactly 4 tan theta times 1 minus tan squared theta over tan to the 4th minus 6 tan squared plus 1. And now we've arrived at the right-hand side expression, so the identity is proven. If ever you see tangent of 4 theta, you can think of it as this rational expression built from tan theta.